Hi there, I'm Andrew. I am the CEO of Teamgate CRM, and like you, I used to be a tradie or a tradesman working in the building industry. I was very unaware of the benefits of CRM software, and like many other construction workers out there, I probably lost a lot of business due to my poor communication and time management skills. Let me show you some of those benefits today in under 2 minutes. Okay, so first and foremost, project management just got made easy. I don't have to go through my diary or my journal to work out where my job sites currently are due to my customizable sales pipeline here. So I can customize all of these different stages, whether it's estimating through to invoicing, and I can drag and drop these jobs through different stages as they progress. And better yet, when I actually go into this customer's profile, I have a full history of any notes we've made, any emails, calls, or SMSs that we've made between myself and the customer, as well as my team and the customer. And finally, once this business is won, we can automate an invoice directly from Xero or QuickBooks. And once that invoice is generated, we can easily track the status of that invoice down in our integrations panel here. So I can see whether that is submitted, whether it's paid, whether it's overdue, and the like. And whilst you guys and girls are out working hard on the job sites, Teamgate's sales insights are working just as hard to meet your intensity in the background, generating automatic reports and analytics so that you can understand fully your performance, whether it's a day-to-day basis, week-to-week basis, or quarter-over-quarter, year-over-year, and the like. We've gone through a lot and we've only just scratched the surface in under 2 minutes. So I look forward to seeing what you can achieve when you try Teamgate CRM for free for 2 weeks.